Hey guys, welcome to DN Sparkle Academy. So let's continue our series of GK Science quiz. So today's topic is environment and its conservation. So let's start. Please do like, share and subscribe, and for more detail you can see description box. Question number 1. Rohan is suffering from typhoid. What could be possible reason for this? Option A. He played in polluted soil. B. He drank polluted water. C. He breathed polluted air. D. All of this. So first we will see the causes of typhoid. So typhoid is caused by a bacterium which is called as a Salmonella typhi, and it is transmitted through contaminated food and water. And the typhoid carrier means the person who has typhoid, who is infected from typhoid, even after recovery hold the bacteria in their intestine or gallbladder. So the risk factor here include close contact with infected person and drinking polluted water that contain Salmonella typhi. So the correct answer here is B. Question number 2. Which of the following will cause algal bloom in a water body? Option A. Sewage disposal in the water body. B. Oil spill in the water body. C. Disposing industrial waste into water body. D. Both A and C. So first let's see what is algal bloom or algae. Algae bloom or algal bloom is a rapid increase or accumulation in the population of algae in freshwater or marine water system. It looks like this. It is on water. And it is often recognized by decoloration in the water from algae's pigment. So the correct answer here is D. Sewage disposal in water body and disposing industrial waste into water body. Both A and C. Question number 3. Which layer is in the atmosphere blocks harmful ultraviolet radiation from sun? Option A. Oxygen layer. B. Carbon dioxide layer. C. Ozone layer. D. Methane layer. So the correct answer here is C. Ozone layer. Ozone layer blocks harmful ultraviolet radiation. Question number 4. When water droplets get large enough to fall from the cloud, it is called A. Precipitation, B. Condensation, C. Transpiration, D. Sublimation. The correct answer is A. When water droplets get large enough to fall from cloud, it is called as a precipitation. Question number 5. Select incorrect match from the following. Here causes of soil erosion are given and methods of soil conversion are given. So option A, running water carries the topsoil with it, is called embankment. Option B, strong wind blow away humus rich topsoil, is called windbreak. Option C, indiscriminate felling of tree, is called reforestation. And option D, none of this. So the incorrect match is D, none of this. All are correct matches. So let's see how. Embankment is a wall or bank of earth or stone built to prevent river flooding an area. And windbreak is a thing such as a row of tree or fences or wall or screen that provide shelter or protection from the wind. And deforestation is a process of replanting an area with trees. So the answer here is D. Question number 6. Which of the following cannot cause soil pollution? Option A. Industrial waste. B. Household waste. C. Vehicular emission. D. Excessive use of fertilizer. So the correct answer for this question is vehicular emission, and remaining all are causes of soil pollution. Question number 7. Select the odd one out on the basis of type of waste. A. Paper bag. B. Metal coin. C. Wooden table. D. Cotton skirt. The correct answer here is B. Metal coin. Question number 8. In a village, a considerable increase in water pollution of the nearby lake was noticed as a farming activity intensified. What could be the reason for this? Option A. Use of chemical to destroy weeds and pests. B. Use of organic manure. C. Excessive use of nitrogen containing fertilizer. D. Both A and C. So the reason is both A and C. So that's why answer is D. Question number 9. Which of the following is cause of acid rain? Option A. Volcanic eruption. B. Burning of fossil fuels. C. Releasing of smoke from factories. D. All of this. Answer is here D. All of this. All are causes of acid rain. Question 10. Select incorrect statement about global warming. 3 statements are given. First statement, the average temperature of the Earth's surface is gradually decreasing. Second statement, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide are responsible for global warming. Third statement, the average temperature of the sun's surface is gradually increasing. So we have to find out incorrect statement about global warming from the given statement. Let's see the option. Option is A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 2 only, D, this is D, 2 and 3 only. So the correct answer here is B. First and second statement are incorrect. Question number 11. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of various gases. Which of the following best describe the composition of atmosphere? So here the options are A. Oxygen 78%, nitrogen 21% and other 1%. B. Oxygen 60%, nitrogen 30% and others 1%. C. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and others 1%. Option D. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and carbon dioxide 1%. The correct answer here is C. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21% and others are 1%. It is the composition of atmosphere. Question number 12. Depletion of ozone layer present in the atmosphere, upper atmosphere would result in option A. Water pollution, B. Volcanic eruption, C. Soil erosion, D. Increase in skin cancer. So the correct answer here is D. Increase in skin cancer. Skin cancer causes because of ozone. Question number 13. Which of the following produces the maximum oxygen on Earth? Option A. Green forest, B. Desert, C. Grassland, D. Phytoplanktons. So let's see the answer. The correct answer is D. Phytoplankton. So these are found in ocean or sea. So these are marine plant, microscopic marine plant that produce maximum world's oxygen. Question number 14. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A. Non-biodegradable household waste can decrease soil fertility. Option B. Planting of tree can help in preventing soil erosion. Option C. Terrace farming helps in preventing landslide. And D. Cutting down trees in large number is called afforestation. So the incorrect statement is D. So answer is D. Question number 15. The given picture shows terrace farming. It helps in option A, preventing landslide, B, reducing soil erosion by water, C, reducing soil erosion by deforestation, D, both A and B. So this is called as a terrace farming. So the correct answer is D. Both A and B are correct. Question number 16. Minamata disease can be caused by or can be caused due to option A, oil spill in sea, B, disposal of industrial waste containing mercury in water, C, smoke present in air, D, spraying of DDT on plants. So it is caused by disposal of industrial waste containing mercury in water. So answer is B, because Minamata is caused by mercury. Question number 17. How can toxic chemicals in the soil harms you? Option A, they change the weather. B, they get absorbed by food crops grown in the soil. C, they purify groundwater in soil. D, they cause noise pollution. The correct answer here is they get absorbed by food crops grown in the soil. Answer is B. Question number 18. By which of the following ways can we reuse water? Option A. Use water that is drained out from the washing machine to wash vegetables. Then B. Use water collected from rain to cook. C. Collect water from leaking tap to water plants. D. Both A and B. So the correct answer is the best reuse of water from this is collect water from leaking tap to water plant. So answer is C. Question number 19. Study the given picture. What can the bus driver do to reduce pollution caused by his bus? Option A. Send the bus for servicing more regularly. B. Tie a plastic bag around exhaust pipe. C. Use a bigger exhaust pipe. D. Put a silencer at the exhaust pipe. The answer is answer A. Send the bus for servicing more regularly. Question number 20. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Who stated this? Option A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. None of this. And the correct answer for this question is answer C. Thanks for watching the session. Please do like, share and subscribe.